What if I told you your body runs on a hidden system named after cannabis, regulating mood, immunity, pain, even metabolism? Today we're diving deep into the endocannabinoid system and how UK medical cannabis is tapping into this secret regulator. Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover health breakthroughs you need to know. If you're curious about cannabis-based medicine in the UK and why everyone's talking ECS, hit subscribe. Deep dive: what is the ECS? ECS components. Endocannabinoids are produced on demand to signal high or low states. Receptors: CB1 and CB2. Enzymes break down ECS molecules once their job is done. Systems impacted. Pain modulation: ECS signals when to dial sensitivity up/down. Mood: linked to anxiety, depression. Appetite and metabolism: ECS engages hunger cues and energy use. Immunity: CB2 modulates inflammation and autoimmune responses. Neuroprotection and memory: ECS is key in neuroplasticity and memory regulation. Why it matters? This isn't niche biology, it's the largest receptor network in our bodies, operating silently to maintain equilibrium. Cannabis plus ECS, science explained. THC acts as a CB1 agonist, supercharging pain relief, appetite, and altering mood. CBD does not bind deeply to CB1-CB2, modulates them indirectly, influences TRPV1 and serotonin receptors, helping with pain and anxiety without getting you high. Emerging UK science. Imperial College found low-dose CBD effectively downregulates TRPV1, reducing nerve pain and neuroinflammation signals. ECS dysregulation is increasingly tied to conditions like PTSD and IBS, opening new research realms for cannabinoid therapies. UK medical cannabis in practice. A. Epilepsy. Epidiolex, EMA approved for Dravet and Lennox-Gastaut syndromes. NHS access is strictly specialist, families often turn to private clinics for prescriptions. Visual, side-by-side clips, child seizure reduction plus happy family reactions. B. Multiple sclerosis. Sativex, MHRA approved for spasticity. Available via specialist MS teams. Visual, doctor administering spray, patient engaging in rehab with ease. C. Chemotherapy nausea. Nabilone, licensed and used in hospitals when standard antiemetics fail. Visual, animated stomach area reacting, followed by calm. D. Chronic pain and PTSD. Heavy private clinic use, estimates show 30k plus UK patients using CBPMs for pain, PTSD, fibromyalgia, etc. Barriers: specialists only, no GP prescribing, stigma, patchy GP training, regulatory complexity. Visual, UK map with clusters of cannabis prescribing centers. Barriers and next-gen roadmap. Education gap, evidence from Cannabis Europa London 2025, most med students graduate unaware of ECS's core role. Doctors often avoid prescribing due to lack of knowledge. Prescriber shortage, only 100 clinicians in UK specialize in CBPMs, despite 40k likely to benefit. Regulatory update: a new ACMD review is underway, expected to ease GP prescribing, but legal guidance remains forthcoming. Research boom: latest frontiers in pharmacology review warns of drug-drug interactions while celebrating ECS's universal influence, from metabolism to mental health. Future outlook. GP access: ACMD policy shift could enable prescriptions in primary care, drastically expanding treatment access. Education reform: medical schools may begin including ECS modules. Research pipeline: trials exploring endocannabinoids in mood disorders, autoimmune diseases, and metabolic syndromes. Conclusion: the ECS is your body's unseen governor, and UK cannabinoid medicine is only scratching the surface. It's time doctors are trained, GPs prescribed, and stigma shattered. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe. And tell us below, should GPs be able to prescribe cannabis-based medicine in the UK?